All right, guys, welcome back to the Crypto Boys. Joe P here with you today talking about another fantastic video. As always, we are bringing you the latest and the greatest. Honestly, it's really not the latest, but it might be one of the greatest. Elrond. This thing is insane. We got to talk about it. It's been around since like 2018, 2019, whatever. We are going to talk about this blockchain right now. We legit have so many people say, hey, you guys got to look into this project. How come you haven't looked into this project? You got to do a review on this project. Dude, what have we been doing? Everyone is right. This thing is absolutely fantastic. It is expanding and growing. Now, here's what I'll say. I love Harmony. I love Harmony 1 because I think it is a fantastic project with great backing behind it. It has an awesome team. It's got a lot going for it. Elrond is like the old school Harmony that's already done it. Like, I feel like Harmony is walking in the exact same footsteps of Elrond. So let's dive into it right now. All right, guys, on coin market cap, 37 is the rank. This is much higher than the coins recently that we have done. It's sitting at $181 at the time of the recording. Like I said, it has been around for a while, of course. So like I said, it's on CoinMarketCap in 2020, but again, it's been around since like 2018 or so. So it did have that run up, price action. You know, I mean, if you got in the beginning and you just held it, sitting at $7, you are a happy camper for sure. At the time of the run up in November, I mean, that was sitting almost $500. I don't know if it basically kissed $500 at its all-time high there, which is awesome. It's down again now $180 or so. Let's see, what is Elrond? That is the point of this video. Elrond is a blockchain protocol that seeks to offer extremely fast transaction speed by using sharding. Sharding is what Harmony uses as well. The project describes itself as a technology ecosystem for the new internet, which includes fintech, decentralized finance, and the Internet of Things. Its smart contract execution platform is reportedly capable of 15,000 transactions per second, 6-second latency, and a 0.001 transaction cost. Yo, that right there is like fast. That's fast and that's cheap. Like, how else can you beat that? That is phenomenal. Harmony, for example, is 2,000 transactions per second, and I have used it before, and I'm like, dang, that was way faster than Ethereum. That was way cheaper than Ethereum. Elrond is faster, way faster, like 7 or 8 times faster, and super cheap. It's just as cheap. It is awesome how cheap and fast this is. Now, Elrond is proof of stake, of course, so the native token as eGold is what is used for paying network fees, staking rewards. The founders, we're going to get into the team here in a little bit, but man, these guys and their names are all so darn similar. They like, first name is the same as the other first name, but the last name is the same as the other last name. Like, they need to switch it up a little bit in my opinion, but hey, whatever. We'll go over them here in a couple minutes. All right, what makes Elrond unique? Well, honestly, it's really not unique now. Like, at the time, it was super unique, and other people are basically copying off of it. So what it's basically doing is describes itself as a blockchain platform for the new internet economy, decentralized applications or dApps, and enterprise use. Its main selling point is its high scalability, stating that it is the first blockchain network in which state, network, and transaction sharding have all been implemented. According to its economic papers, it seeks to build up its ecosystem and establish eGold as a store of value asset. That is what we are looking for. If you can create store of value in the crypto space, you will not die off. You will not fall off in any way, shape, or form. Right here, related pages. There you go. Learn more about Zilliqa, another blockchain project that we have not talked about, but I've heard lots about, or learn more about Harmony, which also uses sharding. Yes, it sure does. Over to Elrond's website. Here we are, guys. I am not going to read you guys the white paper. It's pretty boring. I did read into it quite a bit. It interests me, but it probably won't interest a lot of you guys. So again, right here, adaptive state sharding. That is how it is becoming so fast with the sharding technology that it is using in the parallel processing. Secure proof of stake, which is also going to secure the network. It's going to be a way to keep the network nice and stable and continually running. It's also how you're going to incentivize the validators by giving them a little bit of cut. And the Elrond VM, the virtual machine, which is what VM stands for, is a dedicated smart contract execution engine built on WASM, W-A-S-M. This is also important too, guys. We have basically 3 network roles. One is a validator. Everyone kind of knows what the validator is. They are the nodes on the Elrond network that process transactions and secure the network by participating in the consensus mechanism, blah, 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 like other, proof of stake networks that we have. We also have an observer. Observer are passive members of the network that can act as a read and reply interface. They can be either full or they can be light here. So they have two options. And then the fisherman. This is interesting too. A node which verifies the validity of blocks after they have been proposed. They challenge invalid blocks resulting from adversity of malicious actors and are rewarded for their service. So basically, these guys are making sure that people are doing what they are supposed to on the network and not trying to cheat anybody. And they are catching and getting incentivized to make sure that this is not happening. Yes, the roadmap. This is what we like to see, Elrond. I mean, like I said, they've been around since 2018 with their paper prototype launch. We're moving forward. 2020 was an extremely big year for them. They did a lot of stuff. 2021 is the Maiar launch. We're going to talk all about that. I hope I'm saying that right. Maiar. I listened to the video of the guy talking about the Maiar system. It's pretty cool. We'll go over that here in a minute. But so far, they have been completing all of these different processes over 2021, getting bigger, staking. They're doing lots of good things here. Q1 of 2022. This is where we are right now, guys. Web3 payments, multi-sig for DAOs, growth 2.0, NFT marketplace. A lot of big things coming. They also have stuff lined up for the rest of the year. Whether it comes to GameFi, more staking options, Maiar is getting bigger, more DeFi stuff. So lots of big things to come here in the future. It's a little bit vague past 2022, but I'd rather it be that way of like, focus on important stuff right now. It's not as in-depth as some of the other things that we have seen of like who is actually working on it, like Harmony, for example. But for the most part, they've been hitting their milestones and doing a good job of that. All right, the Elrond team. Here they are, guys. I dove into kind of their backgrounds a little bit further than just this quick little snippet that they have. But here are basically the three co-founders. Now, here's why it's interesting to me. Benjamin, okay, his last name is Mincus. Clearly, Lucan over here is a brother right here, Mincus. Now, they have the same last name, but the dude in the middle, the other co-founder, his name is Lucan too. They got a Lucan and two Mincus. I mean, couldn't they have like somehow splashed a different spice in there? I mean, whatever, maybe that's the name that you need to be an awesome like blockchain developer, because these guys are clearly 1,000 times smarter than I am. Not even close. These guys are so intelligent. It is insane to me. Look, Lucan Mincus, man, that's quite the name. Self-taught tech whiz kid. Self-taught tech whiz? I mean, how do you learn these things by yourself? I don't get it. I have no idea. I mean, I feel like I'm a pretty smart dude, but this dude is like way smarter than us, way smarter than me. I mean, it's crazy, but good for him, man. These are the people that change the world. You are the person that changes the world. We appreciate you for being so darn smart. Moving on. So yeah, the team, fantastic. You can look them up if you want. They have a big team, a lot of good researcher, engineers. They also have down at the bottom here advisors. So they have a handful of advisors for the actual Elrond itself, which is great. It's always good to see that. It's backing by advisors and getting the word out of what is going on specifically. Speaking of what is going on specifically, Elrond on Twitter, they have almost 500,000 followers. As we were talking about earlier, a highly scalable, fast and secure blockchain platform for distributed apps, enterprise use cases, and the new internet economy. Boom. Now, I am not going to scroll down and go through every single thing because they do post quite a bit. They post a lot of news, which they have on their website as well. They have basically any news that pops up, you go right on their website. It goes in chronological order, which is awesome. They are huge, man. This thing is just taking off left and right. I really feel like we might have to get ourselves a big fat bag of Elrond. Here is the Elrond Blockchain Explorer. So this is where you would go if you are looking to, hop onto their dashboard, maybe do some staking, check out what the blocks are doing at this point. You can check out the epoch, where they're at, how quickly it's moving. And also check this out, guys. Europe makes up about 60% of all of the node validators. North America making up about 34%. It looks like there's 2 little dots here, so that doesn't look like 34% to me, but maybe these are incorrect, or maybe they're just quiet right now. Who knows? But it is really, really cool to see that. The staking metrics are here. Total staked at about 12 million, 12.5 million. And now here was the other thing I did want to talk about. I'm going back to the website here, but the blog, if you go over here, it gives you technical information, it gives you the economics, it gives you the ecosystem. I want to go over to the community tab that they have here and check out the Maiar page that they got going on. So I'm going to pull up some of the information with Maiar. It's really, really cool. It's really interesting information, actually. Let's check it out. The future of Maiar. So welcome to the future of money. Basically, what they're trying to do is develop an app that utilizes Elrond as the blockchain. So it's going to be very, very fast, very, very cheap, which is a good option. And then from there, they want to basically utilize a crypto wallet that uses your telephone number. It doesn't have a passphrase or a seed phrase or anything that you have to remember, but it goes based off of your phone number and your contact, so you can send crypto and money very, very quickly through the Elrond blockchain. I think it's a really awesome technology. I might have to look into possibly utilizing it. I watched this video. Man, was it a long, not interesting video at all. Wasn't a fun one, but I did watch it. All right, guys, so overall, Elrond is a fantastic project. It is a huge ecosystem. The circulating supply right now, 21 million Elrond, and that is not even 70% of the overall circulating supply of this coin. So, guys, are we invested in it right now? No, we are not. Will we be invested in it? I really think so. I think that this is a really good project. It's sitting at $181 right now at the time of the recording. For the most part, I think it has potential because so much is building on it. It is an awesome ecosystem. I love Harmony, and Harmony is basically following in the footsteps of Elrond. So I think overall, is it a good buy? Yes, for sure, and people should have it in their bag. Of course, this is not financial advice at all. I am not telling you to buy it. I'm just saying this should be one on your radar because I really do love this project. And you know how we do it at the Crypto Boys. I am not telling you need to subscribe to our channel or like our videos. Just kidding, you should like the video for sure. If you have not subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? If you want to wait for maybe a good video, you're like, yeah, I really do like the Crypto Boys, I'm going to subscribe to their channel and get more information all the time. Cool, wait, that's fine, but we will gain your subscribe. I do believe that firmly. And as always, guys, thanks for being with the Fittest Crypto channel on YouTube. We will check you guys next time. Peace.